to find video ideas that actually gets you views. If you're struggling to get views, let me put you out of your misery. It's not, the problem is not you, it's not even your editing skills, it's your video ideas. Knowing how to find video ideas that actually get views is what separates growing channels from stagnant ones, big channels from tiny small channels. Okay, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to generate content ideas that people actively are searching for and clicking on right about now. The first secret is to look where your audience is already searching. YouTube is full of clues, search suggestions, trending videos, and related content all review what viewers want. Okay, so search suggestions, you type on the top in YouTube and you check what people are suggesting for. Trending videos, you find them in your YouTube analytic app. Okay, but here's something many creators overlook. Keywords alone aren't enough. Later, I will show you a method to combine search data with trending topics in order to create ideas that almost guarantees you to get clicks. Yes, which is what you need. More clicks, more watch time, and monetization is quicker. Another powerful tactic is to study your own analytics in YouTube Studio. Look at your past videos and see which ones performed best, not just in views, but in the watch time and engagement. This tells you what audience really cares about. And the trick is you can use the insights to brainstorm 10 plus or even more than 10 videos, new video ideas from just one top performing video. I will explain exactly how, yeah, in a moment. So open loops are key here. Open loops is when you promise people, okay, and you show them in the video. Don't, you ensure to deliver. So when you're thinking about content, don't just follow trends blindly. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Does my video solve any problem? What story can I tell that no one else is talking about or telling? The best video ideas come from adding uh, your own unique twist to a topic that people already want. Later, I'll review a simple method to find hidden content gaps in the niche that your competitors are missing. That's a loop right there. Okay. Community and comment sections are a gold mine. Look at what the viewers are asking or struggling with in your niche. Their questions often translate directly into high performing video ideas. But there's a catch though. Not every question will work. So it's a hit and miss basically. Knowing which ones have potential is an art. I will show you the criteria to spot the most promising questions in a bit. Another overlooked tactic is repurposing content. Now, I'm not talking about reusing other people's content. No, videos that performed well on other platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even blogs, they can be adapted for YouTube. The trick is to transform them to fit your audience and add more depth. Add more depth into it. Don't just take a video and bring it. Add more depth into it to tailor it to YouTube. Later in the video, I'll give you a step-by-step approach to do this without spending hours brainstorming from scratch. So basically, you are getting more points. You're getting new content from what you already made and making it more deeper and better. So trending topics can boost views fast, but timing is everything. Posting too late or too early can affect your results. I will explain the strategy for spotting trends in advance and how to create videos that ride the wave whilst you stay relevant. Yeah. So collaborations and audience polls. In your community tab, you put a question and put audience polls. It's another way to generate ideas. By engaging your viewers directly, you can find out exactly what they want to watch next. But here's the key: you need a system to turn your suggestions into actionable video content. Something I will show you in just a moment. So, to summarize the main strategies, use search suggestions, trending videos, and related content to spot demand. That's it right there. Use search suggestions, trending videos, and related content to spot the demand, what people want to watch. Analyze your own analytics. If you haven't got YouTube Studio app, best you download that today. So you need to analyze your own analytics for high performing video topics and then do your own videos on that topic. Put your own twist. 10 top performing videos that you've already done into multiple new ideas. If people enjoyed watching your video, how to grow YouTube, then to do a lot more content along those lines. Scan comment section. Don't ignore comments. Respond to comments and in the community post for questions and ideas. Repurpose content from other platforms. Your own content, not my content, not another person's content. Be creative. Okay. Use your own content from other sites, other platforms. You make it deeper. Edit it and make it deeper. Put more content to make it deeper and tailor-made for YouTube. Track trends strategically and post at the right time. Use audience polls, like I said, and collaborations to generate ideas. By that, I mean you collaborate with other people within your niche, depending on your niche, especially beauty. Okay, beauty niche. So by mastering these strategies that I've just been saying, you will never run dry. You will never run out of video ideas. You will consistently create content that viewers click on. They watch it and they share it, and they'll come back for more too, which is good for you. Before you move on, check out my last video right here. This video ties perfectly into today's topic, turning clicks into longer watch time and videos that actually grab attention and grab people watching longer, which is good for retention. Having said that, this video right here, it will tell you how to retain people on your video.